In this tutorial, we will explain the automation capabilities of Whisker.io and show you how to use automation to create automatic alerts using data from Whisker.io devices. An alert is a rule-defined action that will be taken when specific conditions are met. For example, an alert may be used to notify maintenance personnel that a water leak has been detected. An alert is comprised of the following components: a Whisker.io device channel, a conditional rule, an action, a message, and finally, a specified contact. Whisker.io devices can be configured with multiple channels, which represent a variety of digital and analog data. Each alert is connected to one channel, using the data from that channel to determine if an alert condition is met. The conditional rules define how the alert condition is evaluated and are different for analog and digital channels. For analog input channels, the alert conditions are on alarm high, on alarm low, and on threshold. And for digital input channels, they are on high and on low. On alarm low and on alarm high use the alarm thresholds configured in the device channel to determine whether an alert condition is met. Changing the alarm threshold in the channel definition changes the alert threshold as well. In cases where arbitrary alert conditions need to be specified, the on-threshold rule is used. This rule allows you to specify a condition, a threshold, and a hysteresis setting. This condition is either greater than or less than. The threshold is the value at which the alert becomes active, and once an alert is active, it will not clear unless the current value crosses the threshold and the hysteresis level. For example, if an on-threshold alert were created with a condition of greater than, a threshold of 20, and a hysteresis of 2, the alert would become active if the current value exceeds 20 and would reset when the current value goes below 18. Alert actions specify what is to happen when an alert becomes active. Currently, Whisker.io can send a text message or an email when an alert becomes active. The message defines what is to be sent via text or email. Messages can have embedded variables that would be replaced with actual system values when the message is sent. For example, variables can specify the device name, the channel name, the actual value, or the time. Variables are bracketed by percent symbols. When an alert becomes active, the message is sent via text or email to the specified contact. When an alert is active and the alert condition is no longer met, a second message is sent to the specified contact to indicate that the alert condition is no longer active. Contacts are people who need to receive alert messages, but contacts are not account users and do not have access to the portal. To create an alert, you need to be logged in and you need administrative privileges. If you do not have those privileges, please speak to the administrator for your account. Using the portal menu, go to the control panel and then select the Alerts tab. Here, you will see a table of all the alerts defined for your account. You can use the search box to specify filtering terms to reduce the number of alerts visible in the table, which is handy when there are numerous alerts specified on your account. To edit an alert, simply double-click on the alert in the table. This will bring up an editing form that will allow you to edit the components of the alert. To create an alert, click the New Alert button. For this example, we will be creating an alert that will send a message with digital input 2 on the women's soap dispenser when it goes low. First, we give the alert a name. Then, we select a device and a channel. Since we specified a digital channel, the available actions are on high and on low. We will select on low. This alert should send a text message and should tell the contact that the soap dispenser digital input 2 is low. We use the timestamp variable to add the time of the alert into the message. Finally, we select a contact and hit save. Now, we see our new alert is listed in the table. When a new alert is added, it may take several minutes for it to become active in the portal, so give it 5 minutes before you expect to actually start receiving alerts. The Contact List tab shows a table of the current contacts defined for your account. You can add and edit new contacts exactly the same way as you did with the Alerts table. The name, email, and mobile fields must be filled out for a contact to be able to receive alerts. Alert automation is an easy-to-use yet powerful feature of the Whisker.io platform. For more information on alert automation and the other features of Whisker.io, see our website at www.d6labs.com.